Assalamualaikum, Dr.
Walaikum
Rifat.
Assalam.
I really want to ask questions so you can explain to our all supporters and donors that what is very important for eyes. What you think? What is the right time to we should get daily checkups of our eyes?
We should take regular routine because we use regular eye screens. A lot of time we spend with computers. That's why our eyes will be dry. We don't know about eye health care. That's why it's a main reason to go our consultant and examine our eye health care.
Doctor, can you tell me how many people are suffering from eye problem in world and vision loss?
That's why not at least 2.2 billion people are suffering from vision impairments and vision loss. It includes refractive errors like myopia, hypermetropia, estimated mostly in children like squint, extraocular muscle weakness due to lots of spend time in front of a screen, and cataract. 40% people are suffering from cataracts, and glaucoma due to diabetes. It's a main cause.
What are the most common eye problem you see in the community and how can we prevent it?
We see a lot of people can suffering from refractive errors like children and adults also. Refractive errors include hypermetropia, myopia, short-sightedness and long-sightedness, amblyopic patients. It's very rare cases in our daily regular routine in life. We should take glasses and consult with our doctors for examination and further precautions.
Okay, can you tell me what age we should and our childrens and adults should get checkup
In regular routine life, at least 3 months after.
after 3 months?
Yeah, after
We
3 months.
Okay. Can you tell me what is the best nutrition is to keep our eyes healthy?
Yeah, vitamin A is very vital role in regular daily routine life. Like we eat some healthy foods like spinach, green fruits, vegetables. It's very beneficial for our eye health care. Vitamin A deficiency is very rare in most areas due to this.
What are the early signs that a person should know he should go to the doctor and get a check eyes?
When a person feel rubbing your eyes regular and blur vision, and sometimes we see periphery vision and lost central vision, it's a cause and sign that is the reason of very main cause in blindness.
What can simple daily habits we can keep our eyes healthy and we prevent vision loss?
When we go outside in our daily routine lives, we wear sunglasses and to protect our eyes from dust and debris, and we should not rubbing our eyes daily routine basis. If you are feel your eyes are itching and blurry vision, let's go your consultant and check your eye. If you eat healthy diet in daily routine life, you should avoid or take major risk of eye diseases like glaucoma, cataract, refractive errors, and different eye issues.
Okay, Dr. Rifat, can you tell me is vision loss is permanent or we can restore it?
In disease, we see in glaucoma cases,
Okay.
vision is not restored. It's a silent killer. It's cause of diabetes. If we can't consult with our doctors, we can't imagine what our eye should take a good way or not.
Okay, doctor, can you tell me how sunlight affect our eyes?
Yes, in sensitive eyes, sunlight is very rare cases. So we should take sunglass when we are going outside.
The last question I will do on this World Sight Day. What message you can give us and to our donors and supporters?
First of all, love your eyes, and basic you going your consultant for regular routine checkup, and maximum to take break after 20 minutes in regular eye routine. Don't rub your eyes please, and if you feel you are seeing a blurry images and distortions, and then go out to your consultant and briefly explain about your conditions. Thank you.